What's going on, guys? Just thought I'd make a new video. It's been a while since I've made one. Little update on the truck since the last time. Installed a TBSS intake with 32-pound injectors. We got the E-fans on, and today doing an LS3, ported LS3 throttle body swap with the X-Link. Gonna take the stock 78 mil with the 3 to 4 bolt adapter plate off, and go ahead and install this LS3 throttle body with X-Link. There we go. Okay, so first things first, we're just gonna go ahead and take off this cold air intake, and that way I can get a better view of what I'm trying to show you guys next. Alright, so we got the cold air intake off, and next, I already loosened these bolts, but we're gonna take the throttle body off next. But one thing we're gonna have to do is these 2 1/4-inch rubber hoses, they run through the throttle body and go to the coolant tank, and the new LS3 throttle body does not have that. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run one of these 1/4 to 1/4-inch barb fittings to the 2 rubber hoses. That way we can bypass the throttle body. Let's take a quick look. Give you all a comparison of what we're looking at. Old to new. Should be a pretty good gain. But let's take the throttle body off and get that adapter plate out of the way so we can bolt this new throttle body up. Alright, now that we got the throttle body loose, we're going to go ahead and take these 2 hoses off the throttle body. We're going to run one of these barbed fittings. That way we can bypass the throttle body and put the new LS3 one on. So let me get this out of the way, get this adapter plate off, and we'll go from there. Alright, so I got one end of this barb fitting in. Runs over here to these steam vent lines. Other end goes to the coolant tank. As you can see, it's a little bit too long, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this to fit right here. And you're going to want to keep this zip tied back. I'm probably going to zip tie it to this steam vent line right here, just to keep it away from the belt. But let's go ahead and get that done. Alright, so as you can see, we went ahead and got that barb fitting tightened down and zip tied to the steam vent line. So now all we got to do left is just take off the 3 to 4 bolt throttle body adapter plate so we can put the new LS3 throttle body with gasket on. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this real quick. And if any of you guys actually need this 3 to 4 bolt throttle body plate, just shoot me a message on social media, Facebook, Instagram, comment on my video, let me know. I actually have this one, and I have a brand new ICT billet plate that I will not be using, so probably just going to give that away to somebody since I don't need it. So let's go ahead and change this gasket real quick. Even though this one was like brand new, but fuck it. So go ahead and throw this on real quick and bolts up the throttle body. And from there, all we got to do is just plug in the X-Link and put the cold air intake back on. So let me get that done real quick, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the new throttle body on. Looks pretty good. And all we got to do is just got to plug this X-Link in. One thing is, you do need to make sure that when you're ordering your X-Link, you specify which throttle body you have, because as you can see, this one says gold for the LS3 throttle body. They also make one for the silver LS2 throttle body. So when you're ordering, you do need to make sure that you order the right harness, because they do not work vice versa. So let's go ahead and plug this in real quick. Reroute this harness later. Alright, got that plugged in. I know it's going to look ugly for right now, but I'll fix that later. So now all we got to do is just put the cold air intake back on, and start it. So, I just got back from test driving the truck. Had to go get some gas for when I get retuned tonight. Feels good, drives good. Feel even better once I get it retuned. But all in all, pretty straightforward swap. One thing that I did have to do that I didn't record, I had to actually flip this elbow around to where the longer side is actually on the throttle body instead of on the intake. But this cold air intake won't be on this truck much longer. I'm going to go with a Volant closed box intake. They make one specifically for these SS trucks that has a snorkel that goes down to that vent and it goes up to the air box. Probably make another video whenever I get that while I'm installing it. But yep, like I said, I didn't get a chance to make a video whenever I did the Trailblazer SS intake swap or whenever I did the E-fans, but both of those are very well worth doing for the money. You know, the E-fans I think I bought, they were like 110 bucks on eBay, and the Nelson Performance harness I believe was 120 from their website. Trailblazer SS intake, I actually got that for free from one of my buddies that works at the dealership. Came with injectors, the rails, came with this evap line right here. I just had to buy the evap sensor right here. And pretty straightforward swap. Just had to use a piece of rubber line that goes down to the back of the engine. Corvette fuel filter regulator, I think it was like 40 bucks from Glenn's Auto Performance. And the injector harness adapters, forgot what they are. They're mini Delphi to EV6 injector harness adapters. Those were like 40 bucks on their website as well. But yeah, truck's running good. Might make another video once I get it retuned tonight. I know it looks kind of sloppy underneath here. I need to do some wire tucking and rewrap some of these harnesses, but for now it gets the job done. It's my daily, so I got a lot to clean on it. But all right, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope it was informative for you guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, like this video. If you have any questions, just comment, and I'll get back to you guys whenever I get a chance. Thanks.